Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most innovative and talked about micro-campers of the year, the 2025 Electric Tricycle Camper. It's a compact, zero-emissions RV alternative designed for solo adventurers, eco-conscious travelers, and digital nomads looking to escape the conventional without compromising comfort. Let's start with the basics. The 2025 model is a three-wheeled electric vehicle, combining the agility of a trike with the functionality of a small camper. Designed with urban and off-grid exploration in mind, it runs entirely on electric power, powered by a 2.5 kilowatt motor and a modular battery system offering up to 120 miles of range on a single charge, depending on terrain and load. Inside, it's compact but impressively functional. You get a foldable sleeping platform that converts into a bench during the day, integrated LED lighting, and a retractable table for meals or remote work. The roof houses a 200W solar panel, feeding into the battery management system. And there's even a small kitchenette unit with an induction cooktop, a collapsible sink, and water storage tanks hidden in the underbody. For those wondering about climate control, yes, it includes both a vented fan and a low-wattage heating system, making it suitable for three-season use. Now, let's talk charging. The trike can be fully recharged in under 6 hours using a standard 110V outlet, and there's an optional fast charging upgrade that cuts that time nearly in half. It's also towable, meaning if you run out of juice or want to take it further out, it can be pulled behind a car or a van using a standard hitch mount. On the road, it's street legal in most regions as a low-speed vehicle, with a top speed of around 28 mph. You're not going to break any land speed records, but that's not the point. This camper is made for scenic routes, bike paths where permitted, and quiet forest roads. It's virtually silent, easy to park, and requires no special license to operate. In terms of safety and usability, the trike includes hydraulic disc brakes, a rear-view camera, turn signals, and a simple yet functional touchscreen interface that tracks battery levels, speed, solar input, and GPS location. There's also integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, with an app that lets you control core features remotely. Overall, the 2025 Electric Tricycle Camper offers a creative, green, and genuinely fun solution for micro-adventures. It's part e-bike, part home, and 100% independent living. If you're looking to downsize your footprint, travel solo, or explore